Hello there, you're welcome to this tutorial video for Songr AI, the #1 music AI that allows you to create music, soundtrack, any type of sounds at all, just in a few seconds. So once you log into your dashboard this way, you navigate to the sidebar here, right, where you're going to see the different features that come with the software, alright? So what you have to do is very simple. Just go to AI Music Super Engine, click on it. And then you're going to see create and manage, right? So what you're doing here is to click on create, and then you'll be taken to this interface where you're going to create new AI music super engine, right? So you have to give your AI music super engine a name, right? So let's give it something. Let's say test one, then slug name. Now the slug name, can be something like this, right? If you want to have a public visibility, you have to click on it, and of course your project will be accessible at this link displayed right here, okay? And you can as well set it to private. So I want mine to be private, so I leave it as private. Now you have to upload a logo right here, okay? Now you have to note the size of the logo you're going to upload, which is 250 by 250, right? So now let's click on choose file. So once you select your logo, you click on open right here, and you're going to see the logo displayed right here. It's very simple and interesting, alright? So what you have to do now is to hit the create button right here, so you can create your new AI music super engine, which will begin to work immediately, alright? So now let's click on this create button right here, and then you'll be taken to this manage music and super engine interface right here. Of course, this is where you're going to manage all the super engine that you have actually created, and the one I just created has been added to the manage list right here. All right. So now this is it. What you have to do now is to click on this visit in order for you to access the music super engine that you've just created. So now hit the visit button right here, and that's it. You'll be taken to this place where you can turn your idea, voice, feeling, or imagination, all right, into music with Songr AI. Just with, you can start with a simple prompt, or you use the voice command. Your next track is just a step away, all right? You can enter your command right here, okay? Enter your command here, or you use this particular voice option right here, all right? So you can record here, and it's going to be stated in the box right here, as you can see. So once you have your prompt, what you want to do is to select what you are creating right here first. If you are creating a song, you have to click this particular button right here, and you will see auto suggestions right here. Instrumental cover of Happy Birthday with jazz style. You may decide to select any of these auto options right here. And if you're creating just sound, you have to click on the create sound button right here, okay? And if you want the AI to speak text, that is text to speech, right? You have to use this speak text feature. And if you want to change a file, perhaps you want to extract something from a particular audio file, you can click on this change file, and you're going to see auto suggestions here. Initiate an echo remover task from file conversion, initiate a noise remover from file, extract specified items from audio, right? Now let's start with the create song feature right here. So once you select the create song, you're going to enter the lyrics in this box right here, okay? That is if you have the lyrics already, so you can just copy and paste your lyrics right here. So once you paste it, come to additional settings here, click on it, and you're going to see musical style right here, which you can select from. When you click on it, you're going to see ambient, lo-fi, blues, folk, metal, reggae, country, electronic, classical, jazz, R&B, pop, hip-hop. So now let me select, I think I can leave it as pop, or let's say blues. Now let me select blues. Now right here I am combining vocal and instruments, alright? Now if I want only vocals and I don't want instrument, I have to select these vocals only right here, and I have to check this out, okay? So but I want both vocal and instrument. It means I have to select the #1 feature right here, which is what vocal and instruments, okay? Now because I don't want this, I have to check it out, okay? So you check this out, and that's it. So once that is done, you go back, and you come right here and click on the submit button, okay? You see, creating your song, it's preparing assets, it's processing your request. So you have to be patient a bit. Just within 1 minute, and your music will be generated. Let's wait and see. Amazing. The music has been generated. All right. And as you can see right here, I can play it. All right. And here is the stop button right here. Okay. So let's play this music and listen to it.
Still alive with the vibes. Well, John came up from nothing on his way through every door. Yeah, John came up from nothing, kicked down every single door.
Alright, so that's so super cool. That's super cool, right? That's amazing. So if you don't have a simple prompt you can actually use, alright, to generate your music, you can use the lyrics right here, right? All you have to do is to, present the idea of the music you want to generate, and the lyrics feature right here is going to handle everything for you, right? So once you click on it, you're going to auto-generate vocal lyrics for your song, right? So what do you want the lyrics to be about? Now you have to describe it right here, the mood, the story, everything about the kind of lyrics you actually want to generate, right? So you have to enter the idea right here. Okay, so I've said create an emotional love song that feels warm, romantic, and heart melting. All right, so now let's try the generate lyrics feature and see how that actually works. All right, now click on it. Amazing. As you can see, the lyrics has been created for me. Okay, now it's going to create song with the following lyrics. All right, that has been generated. As you can see right here, I have the lyrics here. Now what you have to do now, as usual, is to come to this additional settings feature, click on it, and you can decide the kind of music you actually want to create. I mean the genre, alright, of the music. So when you click on it, you can select from the list of the musical style or genre that we actually have right here. And for me, I can go for, say, R&B. Alright, let's try R&B and see how it actually works. Okay, now I've selected that. Now the next thing is to click on the submit button right here. So now click on it, and remember you have to be patient a little bit while the music is actually generating. It's processing the request right now, and you need to exercise some patience in order for the music to be generated for you, and in a couple of seconds it will come up for you. And here you go, the music has been generated. All right, as you can see, it's right here. So let's play and listen to the music that has just been generated.
Your eyes, they sparkle like stars in our love. My heart finds scars in your warm embrace. I find my peace, tender glances, my sweet release. Every moment, every glance, each smile, each hug, each kiss, a memory I'll always miss. Your hold on hope last, my heart beats just for you.
And that's amazing. That's super cool, right? So, and that's it. Now, if you want to generate a music in any language, you can as well do that, whether in French or in Spanish or Portuguese, any language whatsoever, even Chinese. All right. So all you have to do is to grab your lyrics, all right, in your own language, in the particular language you want to generate music in. Say if I want to generate music in French, for instance, I have to generate my lyrics. I have to grab my lyrics, right? Via maybe I write it or I type it directly right here, or I copy it from somewhere and paste it right here. I have to grab my lyrics first and foremost, all right? And I paste the lyrics right here in that particular language. Say French, for instance, I paste my French lyrics right here. And once I do that, the next thing is to move on and hit the submit button right here. But I may not want to do that. I actually want to, set the music genre first and foremost. You click on these additional settings here, and then you hit the music the musical style. Then you can choose, say, folk, right? Or, okay, let me try hip hop. Click on hip hop, right? That is hip hop. Now, let's try it. So the next thing is to click on submit button right here. Now, let's see if this will come out as French or not. Click on the submit button. Then you have to exercise patience a bit for Songr AI to process your request. Amazing. And now the music has been generated for me. So what is the next thing? Of course, we know that. And that is to play the music and listen to it. Let's do that.
Lève-moi comme une prière sincère, gravée dans chaque seconde de jour. Je t'offrirai des mots que nul n'oublie, des silences remplis d'émotions. Et dans tes bras, je reconstruis ma vie, loin des doutes, loin de la passion. Je profère des mots plus au qui, c'est moi sans prix bénédiction. Regarde ta place en dessous ma vie.
Amazing. And that is how it sounds, in another language apart from English. You can generate music in French, in Spanish, in Portuguese. Any language you actually paste right here is going to be generated in that particular language. Alright, so that's it. Now let's move on to the next feature. Now the next one right here is to create sound only, not music this time around. You may be working on a particular project and you need some sounds, right, in order to complement or supplement the project you're working on, right? So when you click on create sound right here, of course, you're going to see some auto suggestions here. Rain on window pane, mountain stream flowing, fireplace crackling sounds, or thunderstorm with gentle rain, something like that, and you can also come up with your own prompt. So you can actually start with the auto suggestions right here. Let's say coffee shop background noise. Let me click on it. And you come right here, create sound settings. You determine whether you are picking urban, abstract, musical, mechanical. Alright, so let's say mechanical. And you have to set the duration right here. It could be 30 seconds. It could be 60 seconds. Alright. Then you click the submit button here. The sound has been generated, as you can see right here. So let's play it. And that's more like it. That's amazing, right? A coffee shop background noise, and it has been generated as you have just listened to it. All right. And of course, if you want something different, right, from what has been auto-generated, you have to enter your prompt in the box right here. For instance, create cinematic movie trailer music. Okay. That is epic, dramatic, Hollywood style soundtracks that feel like a real film score, right? Now, this is what I want. And what am I going to do? I come to additional settings here, and then I select the sound type. Okay. Now, let's say I want it to be, mechanical. All right. And I set the duration right here. Then I go back and then I hit the submit button right here. And it will start generating the sound for me. And as you can see, the cinematic soundtrack has been generated right here. So now let's play and listen to it as well. Alright, so there is also the speak text feature right here. And when you click on it, you're going to see some auto suggestions for you right here, like voiceover for presentation, motivational speech, professional announcements, and conversational dialogue right here. Okay, now, so what you have to do is to copy your text and paste it right here. And Songr AI is actually going to speak the text for you. It's going to turn the text to speech for you. It's quite interesting. So now let's see how that actually works. Paste your text right here. Okay, then you come right here, hit the settings button right here, select the voice type, let's say male, alright, and go back again, and then you hit the submit button right here. You see processing your request. So hold on a bit for it to generate. And as you can see, the voiceover has been generated using the speak text, in other words, the text to speech feature right here. Okay, so let us play it and hear it out.
John at 35, still running the game, still got the hustle, still got they calling his name. If John's in the building, it won't be the same.
Incredible. That's amazing. The speak text feature right here is actually very simple and straightforward. It's very easy to use. Just copy and paste your text right here, and the Songr AI is actually going to speak it for you, turn the text into a speech, and you're going to have your voiceover or whatever it is you want to convert it to just in a split second. All right. Now you can always come right here, right? Determine if you're going to be using a male voice or a female voice. Okay. Now, once that is done, of course, you can also use the voice recording button right here in order to, have your voice transcribed into this box right here, and you use it to generate your speech. Okay, so that's it. Now, let us look at the change file right here. That is change file feature here. And when you click on it, you're going to see auto suggestions as well, files conversion, extract specified items, initiate a noise remover from file, initiate an echo remover task from file. Okay, now how do we do this? Now what you're going to do now, let's say file conversion, for instance. You click on file conversion. Okay, now you have to click on this upload file button, and before you do that, you can come right here, hit the additional settings here. All right, now what exactly are you trying to convert? Okay, let's say you want bars, or let's say piano or vocals or strings or synth, brass, as the case may be. Now let's say guitar, bass, and all. All right, so I've selected that. Now you have to upload your audio. All right, attach audio file right here. Click on it, and then you can select any of the audios you actually want to use. Okay, now let's say I want to use these. Then you click on open. You see it's right here. Now the next thing is to hit the submit button right here. Click on it. You see it's processing, and the file conversion has been done already for me right here. So what we're going to do now is to play it and listen to what has actually been converted. Right?
Snap a pic, post it high, and my feet is to dance. Comments rolling like waves on the beach. I'm half of
Alright, so that's it. Now let's check change file again, extract specified items from audio. Alright, or let's say initiate a noise remover from file, if that's actually what you want to do. Or you can of course remove remove echo, alright, from your file, from your audio file. Okay, so that's it. That's how to use your Songr AI. As you can see, it's actually very simple and straightforward. All you have to do is to enter your prompt right here, whether you copy it from somewhere and you paste it right in the box, or you use the voice recording button right here in order to have your voice transcribed in the box right here. And then you go to settings, determine the kind of music you actually want, the music genre that you actually want to create. Okay, whether you talk about country, reggae, pop, any type of music you actually want to generate, or you want to create sound, or you want to convert your text to speech, or you want to convert a particular file, or you want to extract something from your music file. Everything related to that can actually be done, as you have seen right in this tutorial video. And as well, do not forget, you can always use the lyrics feature right here. Once you click on it, you only have to enter your music idea, and the lyrics feature here is going to generate the perfect lyrics for you, all right, in order to have the kind of music you want. And that's it. So if you have anything whatsoever, you can always contact us using the support button right here, all right, using the support right here, and we're going to always be available to attend to any comment or any question you have. So thank you very much, and see you again in the next video.